DeWalt is one of the most trusted and well-known tool brands. And it's not just because of that striking black and yellow design. Their tools are known for durability, power, and performance that professionals and DIY enthusiasts rely on every day. So in today's video, we're going to look at some of the newest and most useful tools from the world that you probably haven't seen yet, but definitely need. All the tool links are in the description below. Number 30, Hydraulic Impact Driver. This new impact driver from the world is quiet, making about 57% less noise than most others. It's ideal if you don't want to disturb people while working. Despite being quiet, it's still very powerful and can handle tough jobs easily. It also works up to 40% faster, letting you finish tasks in less time. Compared to other brands, it's almost twice as fast and much smoother to use, making your work easier and less tiring. Number 29, Max XR Power Stack. It offers up to 50% more power than regular batteries, meaning your tools can handle tougher materials and bigger jobs with less effort. It's also designed to last longer, letting you work more and charge less. Its compact design makes it easier to hold and work in tight spaces, while the strong rubber base helps protect it from drops or rough surfaces. It also features a useful LED light that shows how much battery is left so you're never surprised. Best of all, it works with all the world tools and chargers, making it a solid upgrade for any setup. Number 28, Cordless Impact Wrench. Now you can handle your toughest jobs with this high-torque impact wrench. It gives you up to 102% more torque, letting you loosen or tighten large bolts and nuts with ease. The tough glass-filled nylon body protects it from oils, drops, and harsh work conditions, keeping it reliable for years. It also comes with a precision wrench mode that helps prevent over-tightening, perfect for avoiding damage to tools or materials. The 4-mode push-button control makes it easy to adjust both speed and LED brightness, giving you full control for any task. Number 27, Cordless Hammer Drill. Tackle the most demanding tasks with the most powerful hammer drill, designed for maximum performance across a wide range of applications. Its anti-rotation system improves safety by detecting excessive movement and automatically shutting down with a red LED alert. Enjoy superior maneuverability in tight spaces thanks to its compact design, while the all-metal 3-speed transmission delivers optimized battery life, precision, and high-performance drilling for every project. Number 26, Air Compressor. Get powerful and reliable air performance with this compressor, designed to deliver up to 225 psi for strong, consistent airflow. The large 2-inch gauges, couplers, and regulator are easy to read and safely protected behind a metal cover. Its high-flow coupler improves nailer performance, while the oil-free pump means you won't have to worry about maintenance. With 10-inch flat-free tires, it's easy to move around any job site, making it a simple, durable, and hassle-free option for all your pneumatic tool needs. Number 25, Compact Press Tool Kit. Its lightweight, inline design lets you work comfortably in tight spaces or overhead with just one hand. It works with all Compact Series press attachments and comes with 4 CTS jaws that can handle copper pipes from 1/2 inch to 1 1/4 inches in diameter. The 80-degree rotating head helps you press from any angle, while the LED work light improves visibility in dark areas. It also includes Crimp Connect software to track press cycles, a RAM release button for quick resets, and a Tool Connect chip to manage your tools easily. Number 24, the World Pipe Preparation Tool. Revolutionize pipe preparation with this advanced deburring tool. Designed to handle pipe diameters 33% larger and over 60% more material types. Enjoy exceptional control with a variable speed switch and paddle trigger, while rust-resistant blades ensure long-lasting durability. Internal and external deburring functions make tasks easy, and its capacity from 3/8 of an inch to 2 inches covers a wide range of materials. Protective bumpers safeguard performance, and the removable cutting blade adds convenience for maintenance. Number 23, Copper Pipe Cutter. Now you can achieve fast and precise cuts on copper pipes with this top-class cutter that handles Type K and L pipes from 1/4 inch to 1 1/8 inches. Its auto-size adjusting cutting head eliminates part changes, while the innovative pivoting head rotates 90 degrees to reach tough angles. With up to 550 cuts per charge, it cuts pipes in just 1.2 seconds. durable corrosion-resistant components, a variable speed trigger for full control, and a built-in LED for dark areas improve productivity. Plus, it's Tool Connect ready for asset tracking. Number 22, Max Charger. Now you can charge all your batteries at the same time with this fast and easy-to-use charger. It works with 12V, 20V, and Flex Volt batteries, so you don't need different chargers for each. Each slot delivers strong power, letting you charge 4 batteries in under an hour. It also includes simple features like wall mounts, cord wraps, and side clips to keep your space neat and organized. Plus, it's designed to help you easily track your tools and batteries. Number 21, Drywall Screwdriver. This brushless screwdriver gives you smooth, powerful performance while being easy to handle. It has 2 speed settings, high for tough materials and low for lighter ones, letting you work on different surfaces easily. You can also choose between 4 work modes depending on your task, all controlled with a simple button on top. The front can be adjusted to control screw depth, and its compact, lightweight design makes it comfortable to use for long hours without fatigue. Number 20, Table Saw. Upgrade your woodworking setup with this advanced table saw featuring a rack and pinion telescoping fence system for fast, smooth, and accurate adjustments. Its patented support handles narrow rip cuts, while its 32.5-inch rip capacity easily tackles larger shelving and molding pieces. Integrated storage keeps the blade guard, fence, riving knife, miter gauge, wrenches, push stick, and cord organized and within reach. The rolling stand ensures easy setup and stability. The telescoping rails retract for portability. Number 19, Mechanics Tool Set. If you've ever struggled to reach a bolt in a tight corner, this low-profile ratchet wrench is exactly what you need. Its head is 20% thinner than regular wrenches, so it fits easily into hard-to-reach spaces other tools can't. The smart tightening system helps you loosen or tighten bolts quickly without slipping. Made from durable chrome steel, it's built to handle pressure and last for years. With 72 fine teeth, it only needs a small turn to get the job done, giving you smooth and precise control even in the tightest spaces. Number 18, Screwdriver Bit Set. Optimize your workspace with this bit set featuring a connectable accessory storage system, making organization simple and efficient. The patented bit bar design allows easy removal and customizable placement of bits, while the transparent lid lets you see the contents at a glance. A clip latch ensures secure closure, and its compact size fits perfectly into small and medium tough cases, delivering optimal torque. Plus, the magnetic screw holder reduces drops and movement, providing smoother work. Number 17, Stud Finder. Locate studs quickly and accurately with this advanced stud sensor featuring center finding technology for effortless centering. It detects wood and metal up to 3/4 of an inch deep and includes live electrical wire detection for added safety. Constant auto-calibration saves time, while the center marking channel, slim profile, audible alerts, and directional LED arrows make stud location simple and precise. Number 16, Bandsaw. If you need a saw that's easy to handle and gets the job done fast, this 5-inch model is a great choice. It's built for smooth, precise cuts and designed to simplify your work. You can hang it safely using the built-in hook without worrying about scratching the handle or base. The bright LED light helps you see clearly even in dark places and stays on for a few seconds after you stop cutting. You can change blades easily without tools, adjust speed to match the task, and rely on its long-lasting, efficient brushless motor. Number 15, Cable Stripping Kit. Handle heavy-duty cable jobs with this versatile cable cutter, capable of stripping cables up to 4 inches in diameter. Designed for copper and aluminum cables, it features quick-release bushings for fast size changes and a variable speed trigger with reverse for precise control. The built-in adjustable LED light ensures visibility in low-light conditions, while the e-clutch system maintains tool control in case of a jam. It comes in a convenient case to store the tool, bushings, battery, and charger, making it ideal for professional electrical work. Number 14, Circular Saw. If you're looking for a saw that's powerful and easy to handle, this 7¼ inch circular saw is a great choice. It's super lightweight at about 8.8 pounds, making it comfortable even for long jobs. The 15-amp motor delivers plenty of cutting power, and the electric brake stops the blade immediately when you release the trigger for added safety. You can make clean angled cuts easily with its 57-degree bevel range and preset stops at 45 and 22.5 degrees. The solid aluminum base keeps your cuts accurate. The bearing guard helps extend tool life, and the built-in dust blower clears your line of sight. Number 13. Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit. This versatile oscillating tool features a 3-speed selector, letting you adjust speed to suit any application. The brushless motor provides up to 57% more runtime than brushed motors, while the variable speed trigger with dual grip gives full control over speed and precision. Equipped with a universal accessory adapter, it works with most oscillating tool brands, and the quick change system lets you swap blades and accessories quickly without wrenches. A bright LED light ensures clear visibility on dark work surfaces for precise and efficient cuts. Number 12. Cordless Router. This compact router features dual LEDs to illuminate the work surface for precision. A variable speed dial lets you adjust speed by application, while the depth adjustment ring allows quick and easy height changes. The soft start motor with constant electronic feedback maintains a steady speed during cuts, ensuring smooth performance. An electronic brake quickly reduces motor speed after use, improving safety and efficiency in all your routing tasks. Number 11. Polisher. This angle polisher is designed for comfort and control with a rubber over-molded gear case and rear handle for a secure, ergonomic grip. The variable speed trigger and large speed dial allow precise adjustment for any application. Replaceable wool ingestion guards prevent clogging, while the no-volt release switch ensures safe startup. A large spindle lock button makes backing pad changes easy, and the pop-off brushes protect the motor, extending tool life. Number 10. Impact Socket Set. This socket set is an excellent choice for handling tough jobs with strength and precision. It uses special direct torque technology to help prevent slipping or rounding bolts, giving you a firm, secure grip every time. Each socket is made from heat-treated steel to last under heavy use. Clear laser markings make it easy to find the right size quickly, and the half-inch drive works perfectly with rings or retaining pins. Whether you're working on repairs or heavy-duty tasks, this set gives you the reliability and power you need. Number 9. Cordless Chainsaw. This cordless chainsaw features a 12-inch low kickback bar and chain, ideal for construction and outdoor cutting tasks. Its compact and lightweight design ensures maximum control and ease of use. Powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor, it delivers longer runtime and motor life, achieving up to 90 cuts per charge in treated 4x4 wood. Tool-free chain tensioning and bar adjustment make quick changes easy. Battery and charger not included. Number 8. Pressure Washer. Tackle a wide variety of cleaning tasks with this 550 max cordless cleaning tool that delivers 10 times more power than a standard garden hose. Designed for convenience and portability, it draws water from any fresh water source and works with garden hoses through the Quick Connect adapter. Easily apply detergent with the included soap bottle. Adjust power with the 2-speed variable control and quickly switch functions using multiple Quick Connect nozzles for versatile, high-quality cleaning. Number 7. Flex Blower. Experience powerful cleaning with this high-efficiency brushless motor blower designed to extend runtime and handle heavy use. It delivers up to 600 cfm of air at 125 miles per hour, clearing debris with precision. The variable speed trigger and speed lock give you full control over airflow, making every cleanup fast, efficient, and effortless. Number 6. Cordless Angle Grinder. This powerful angle grinder features an 8,000 revolutions per minute motor for efficient cutting and grinding. The quick release wheel system allows tool-free wheel changes, while the tool-free adjustable guard ensures fast positioning. The 2-finger trigger with lock button offers convenient activation and a secure grip, and the 2-position side handle provides greater control, comfort, and versatility for a wide range of applications. Number 5. Drain Snake Kit. This pipe cleaning tool is ideal for making clog removal quick and easy. It can handle pipes up to 3 inches wide and comes with a removable drum that holds a 35-foot cable, giving you great reach. The outer cover keeps your environment safe from the spinning drum, while the built-in LED light with 3 brightness levels helps you see clearly in dark spaces. It also features a sliding nose to lock and release the cable quickly and a simple trigger that lets you control speed and direction with ease. Number 4. PX Expander Tool. This PX expansion tool makes plumbing work easier and faster. It's designed to fit Type A PX pipes from 3/8 to 1 inch and features an automatic rotating head that expands the pipe evenly for a perfect fit every time. Full trigger control lets you work comfortably even in tight spaces, while the built-in LED light helps you see clearly in dark areas. It also includes a hanging hook and belt hook for easy storage and a soft rubber grip for extra comfort. Reliable, simple, and efficient. Ideal for any plumbing job. Number 3. Tool Organizer. Keep your workspace tidy with this heavy-duty steel rail system built to support up to 100 pounds per foot. It's strong enough for all your tools and equipment. The non-slip surface protects against scratches and rust, keeping it in excellent condition for years. Its smart locking system keeps hooks firmly in place so nothing slides or falls. The kit includes the rail and a set of useful accessories, making it easy to set up and organize your space quickly and efficiently. Number 2. Jigsaw. The powerful 6.5 amp motor delivers cutting power for demanding materials, while the variable speed range of 500 to 3,100 strokes per minute ensures optimal cutting speed for different applications. The tool-free lever-action blade clamp allows quick blade changes, with an all-metal gear case and 4-position orbital action. The tool gives you control over cut quality and speed. Positive stops at 0, 15, 30, and 45 degrees ensure precise angles. An extra-large rubber grip improves comfort, and the built-in dust blower keeps visibility clear during cuts. Number 1. Reciprocating Saw. The compact and lightweight design of this cordless reciprocating saw, with an overall length of just 14.5 inches, allows it to fit between studs and make cuts in tight spaces. The 4-position blade clamp allows tool-free blade changes, while the 1 1/8 inch stroke length provides fast cutting speed. The variable speed trigger, offering up to 2,900 strokes per minute, ensures precise control for detailed cuts. A bright LED light illuminates dark work areas for better visibility, and the pivoting shoe adds versatility for different cutting tasks. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed these amazing and useful tools from the world. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.